Yo, you still L.com? Yeah, I'm still L.com. Yo, I'm still on the block with niggas that bust shots. Been to jail, came back home and still serving rocks. I still have visions of a blind man. Can't see all this fucking dough in my hand. Shit, I still fuck with chicks from back in the days. Cause the pussy still the same and ain't a damn thing changed. Picture living life in the fast lane. Slow up for, why would I slow up for? Yeah, I'm trying to go for it. This rap shit got cash in it. I'm the next nigga that's gonna be happening. Feel me? Got niggas still trying to kill me. Beef from the 90s. Niggas still behind me. Still trying to find me. But please think wisely, cause the 4th, 5th leave you stiff and shit, no? Yo, tell these niggas who you be, man. I'm still L.com. I'm still hot. I still rap so y'all shit not gone. I mean, best I can, nice little chorus right now. I'm still L.com. I'm still hot. I still rap so y'all shit not gone. Sound reasonable. Yeah. Yeah, that's just a little sample, man. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, I like this one right here.